Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines. Many roads still in bad condition even though CM's deadline passed and PWD minister says 80% potholes filled. Ponda lakhs forced to perform Lakshmi Puja in dark as light plays peekaboo. Locals should continue to be careful as thunderstorms accompanied with lightning will occur till 7th and heavy rainfall will occur on 5th and 6th. Now the news in detail. The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant had promised to fill all potholes before 1st November, failing to which he had threatened to act against the PWD engineers. However, the pothole-riddled roads at Navili tell the ground reality.
PWD has started doing patchwork acting on Chief Minister's promise. Debris was filled into the potholes along the highway. However, looks as if there was no supervision while the work was going on. After the recent rains, the hot mix cover got washed away and potholes were as they were for the past years or so. Now this highway is once again potholes riddled one.
ही जी आसा ही नॅशनल हायवे 17 आसा आनी आज नॅशनल हायवे 17 रोड जो आसा तो कित जालो तो पळयात. लास्ट टायम सीएमान 1 म्हयन्या भितर सांगले की सगळे रोड जे आसात ह्या रोडाचेर जे खड्डे पडल्यात तितलेय आमी पुरयतले, एक सुद्दां उरपाना आनी उरले जाल्यार त्या इंजिनियराचेर आपूण एक्शन घेतो म्हणून. आज तुमी पळयात जेन्ना सीएमान हे सांगतरे खंय तरी PWDन बेतो हाडलो आनी ह्या रोडाचेर वतयलो तो खंय पडला हे PWDचे जे इंजिनियर आसा तेणी पळयले सुद्दां ना. फक्त एक सीएमान म्हणलें की 1 तारखेर हे सगळे बंद जातले, एक सुद्दां कोण उरपा ना म्हणून तेणी आज हाडून हे घातले आनी आज पळयात तेजी अर्ध बेतो पडला, अर्ध कडेन पडला, थंय खोणकूळ आसा. हेंचेर एक्शन घेतो काय कितें सीएम? हांगा एक रोड म्हण तो सारको बरो ना, तुमकां वच न्हय हेच्या मुखार आनीक रोड दाखयता तुमकां. रोडाची परिस्थिती किती जाली ती पळयात, किती रोड पिड्ड्यार जालो तो पळयात. आज लोक कितलो हॉस्पिटलायज जाले कडेन आसा, ती लोकांनी हाडां मोडल्यात, कोणाली बॅकबोन मोडले कडेन आसा, कोणाली मान हे जाले कडेन आसा. म्हणजे हेका जबाबदार कोण? लोक हांगा पयशे भरतात, रोड टॅक्स भरतात, सगळे भरतात आनी रोड सारको मेळना. जर रोड मेळना सारको जाल्यार PWD सेक्शन कित्याक जाय सोडपाचो, कित्याक बेश्टे पयशे वेस्ट करतात. हे खंय तरी सरकाराचो जो पयसो आसा हो वेस्ट जाले कडेन आसा. कित्याक काय म्हळ्यार ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा खातीर हे जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसात ह्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टान बरें काम केलें ना म्हणून आज हे लोकांक त्रास जाल्यात. हे रोड जे आसात हे खरें बरें आसपाक जाय आसले, पूण आमकां फक्त गोंयाक हे रोड आसात ते अशे जाल्ले कडेन आसात. आमी महाराष्ट्रांत वचात, कर्नाटका वचात, रोड पळय बरे आसात पूण हांगाच बरें ना. गोवा 360 खातीर नाविले साकून रमेश नायक हायवे वयल्यात.
Two unfortunate incidents took place during Diwali in Perne. In one incident, a young man, Kalu Mali, died due to electric shock. And in another incident, a house at Akshalbagh, Dhargar, faced damage due to lightning strike.
37-year-old deceased Kalu Mali, native of Rajasthan, was working with his two colleagues at Hankhane. He suffered electric shock and he was shifted to primary health center in Kasarwane, where he was declared dead on arrival. Perne police conducted the Panchanama and sent his body in JMC mortuary. While in another incident, house of Dilip Samant from Akshalbagh, Dhargal suffered a major damage due to lightning strike. Ramchandra Samant and his family gave details.
सांगपाचें म्हणजे कितें जालें, काल संक 10 मिनटां आसतना सुमार बरें पयलीं 2-3 फावटी कडकडाट जालो आनी मागीर संक 10 मिनटां आसतना असो कडकडाट जालो की एकदम कितें तरी पडलेल्या भाशेन जालें फाटले सायडीन. आनी हे येयलो पळय एकदां न्हू एका सेकंडानूच सगळें जालें. मिटर फुटलो आनी सारको भायर पडलो, ते सगळे बोर्ड पडले आनी धुंवर इतलो जालो की हांकां आनी पांयार कितें तरी मारलेल्या भाशेन जालें सगळ्या मनशांच्या. इतलें हें जालो, इफेक्ट जालो. इवन हांव ते सायडीन म्हाजें घर न्हू हे म्हणजे एटॅच, तेतुल्ले सुद्दां बल्ब फुटले, फॅन घट जाले. परतून तिसरो भाव म्हाजो हांगा हे सायडीन टचर, तेचे काय इफेक्ट जाल्लो आहा.
शॉर्ट सर्किट जाले,
सर्किट नाही हेचे विजेचो धक्को हो सारको,
म्हणजे वीज पडली
सारकी. वीज म्हणजे ते फाटल्यान टॉयलेट आहा पळय, एटॅच टॉयलेट आहा, थंयसून तेका होल बिल पडलेलो आहा. तुम्ही पहिले आसतले.
इवन नळे फुटले, ते
नळे पळय हांगा ते लायटीचे कनेक्शन हांगासून सकयल देवल्या न्हू, थंयच्यान हे पळय नळे बी फुटलेले आहा.
म्हणजे संपूर्ण लाईट तुमचे
संपूर्ण फुल टोटल लाईट गेल्ली हा जळून अख्ख्या घराची.
धाकटी भुरगी असली आमच्या आणि धाकटो असलो 1.5 वर्षाचो मुलगा असलो तो सारको भियालो आणि हे चेडूं आमची मात्र खूप भियाली आणि ती घर धरून रावलो. मग आम्ही तेवट्यान पळालो त्या रूमान दुसऱ्या.
मग आग मीत पेटली भितर.
सारको धुवर
बाथरूमान आमच्या सबन गॅस कशी झाली आणि दार बी ओपन जायना आले आणि पळयत आले मागीर कशें करून ह्या केला जाल्यार मशिनाचो प्लग बीन तो सबन आमच्या जवळ.
आता एकंदरीत सांगपाचें म्हणजे लायटीचेच जर पळोवंक गेले जाल्यार लायटीचे आता तर कितें पळोवंक गेल्यार वायरी येते म्हणजे इतले महागराय जाल्ली ते सांगपाचें ना. तरी पण हे एकाच हेतून हे 60-70 तरी अशें हांव अंदाजे म्हागे जेन्ना इस्टिमेट काडटलो तेन्ना कळटलें. तरी पण 60-70 हांगा गेल्ले आहात, थंय एक 25-30 गेल्ले आहात, थंय एक तेच सायडीनूय गेल्ले आनी ती परतून जे इलेक्ट्रॉनीक कितें वस्तू ते अजून काय आमी चेक करून पळयल्ले ना आसा कितें जालें ते.
अंदाजे 1.5 लाख
1.5 लाख सुमार तरी अशें म्हाज्या हेनी अशें दिसता. तेतून वयरूय जावंक शकता, ते वचूंक शकता.
Sandeep Kamulkar, Fogwa 365 from Dargal.
The Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant's assurance to fill up all potholes before 1st November is still unfulfilled. And ironically, potholes are still dominating in no other than Kalangut constituency, the backyard of BJP's heavyweight minister Michael Lobo.
Soon after the Chief Minister's announcement, work began on a war footing to patch up potholes. However, it looks as if the PWD has failed to honour the Chief Minister's word, after PWD Minister Deepak Pawskar himself admitted that 20% of the work of filling up potholes is still remaining. It looks as if Kalangut constituency falls into that 20%, despite Michael boasting a lot about the development in his constituency. Huge trenches are seen on the road leading to Baga Beach near Fat Fish in Agarwado. Listen to social activist Walter Lobo on the issue.
CM प्रमोद सावंत 31st म्हटलेले एकूय खड्डा दिसचो ना. कसले खड्डे म्हणटालोय ती म्हाका खबर ना. आय डोंट नो इफ यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रोड्स और पीपल हू आर बॉल्ड. आतां पळय, दीस इज नियर अ रेस्टॉरंट कॉल्ड फॅट फिश and this is a 8-meter broad road which is mainly going to Baga Beach. पळय खड्डे पळयताय तूं, दिसता मरे. पळय पळयल्याय, पळयत राव, पळयल्याय. Today your minister admits that only 20% of it is done. 20% is remaining or done, I don't know. Boy, khadde. Look. Now, if you think you can issue deadlines, I also can issue deadlines, CM sir. You are my servant, CM. आता तुवें पळय डेडलायन पळय इश्यू केल्लो न्हू, तुकाय हांव डेडलायन इश्यू करता आनी तुका सांगता, इफ दीस होल्स आर नॉट फिल्ड विदीन द नेक्स्ट 15 days, then I give you the assurance that I will be camping in your constituency for 7 days. Don't ask me who I will be backing. Okay? Puro zale CM sir. Don't make statements that you can't live up to. Okay? Now check out how nice your Babula Michael is, and get him or get somebody to patch this near Fat Fish Agarwado.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Diwali is called a festival of lights, but in Ponda, people were kept in dark for hours during this festival. Pondaites are furious over the electricity department for keeping them in dark, that too during Lakshmi Puja.
There was power outage in Ponda and suburban areas. Locals allege that rains followed by gusty winds is just an excuse. However, it is negligence on the part of the electricity department for keeping them in dark for several hours. 3 feeders from Durbat, Upper Bazar and Farmagudi were affected as the transformer was blown. However, the executive engineer said they have properly done their duty.
Yesterday, Achanak, all of a sudden, 4 o'clock, started heavy surge, lightning surge, along with the wind, heavy wind, and the rain. So, at a time, same time, our all about some 5 feeders gone out, faulty. So, we are charging one by one, not holding, not single feeder was holding. Then started restoring one by one feeder. So, we are going patrolling, so one feeder, one by one restored by 4 o'clock started. And by 11 o'clock we restored everything. Because it was a fault was heavy, this side, that side tree fallen, some coconut leaf fallen, and somewhere jumper open. So this way we are restored supply by 11 o'clock by night. Okay, this has happened because of at a time, with the heavy wind, that is made our all feeders faulty.
However, locals have their own story despite the engineer giving clarification on it. They said department was warned 4 days in advance about the winds and rain by IMD. But why was the department still negligent? They had to celebrate the Diwali in the dark and also perform Lakshmi Pujan in the night.
इंजिनियर भरतन जो आसा पळय ताका जाप विचारपा आयिल्ले. काल तुमी जाणा 3:30 जेन्ना पावस आयलो अचानक आनी पावसा बरोबर जी लायट गेली ती रातची 9:30 10 थोड्याशा जाग्यांनी 12 म्हटल्यार लायट येवना. आनी काल आमचो दिवाळी हो सगळ्यात मोठो सण. दिवाळी आमी म्हणटा फेस्टिवल ऑफ लायट्स, पूण काल लायटूच नाशिल्ली. आनी अक्षरशः आमचे सगळे वेवसायीक मित्रांक जे घरोघरी दुकानांनी आपल्या ऑफिसांनी जे लक्ष्मीपूजन करता ते लक्ष्मीपूजन काळखान करचें पडलें. आनी काल ह्याका लागून एक 3:30ची 9:30 लायट ना म्हणून जाता लोक फ्यूज कॉलान आनी जे फील्ड वर्कर्स आसा, फील्ड इंजिनियर्स आसा, हांचे कडेन जेन्ना लोकांनी संपर्क साधपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार त्यांचे फोन आउट ऑफ नेटवर्क, स्विच्ड ऑफ आनी कांयच रिस्पॉन्स ना. म्हणजे एस्टरडे काल डिपार्टमेंट वॉज नॉन रिस्पॉन्सिव्ह आशिल्लो. काल तांचे कडेन खंय स्टाफ कमी आशिल्लो. फिल्डार काम करपी खंय फक्त 4 स्टाफ आशिल्लो म्हणटा ते फील्ड. आनी ताका लागून हे जी पावर फेल्युअर जाली ती रिस्टोर करपाक तांकां वेळ लागलो. म्हणजे एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियरान तांचे डिपार्टमेंटाचे फेल्युअर एक्सेप्ट केल्लें आसा की आपूण फेल जालो कित्याक आपल्या कडेन पुरो असो स्टाफ नाशिल्लो. आतां प्रश्न येता तो म्हणटा दिवाळी लागून आपल्या कडेन स्टाफ नाशिल्लो. पूण हवामान खात्यान मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंटान 4 दीस पयलीं अलर्ट दिल्लो की गोंयान पावस पडपाचो आसा, थंडरिंग जावपाचें आसा, वारें व्हांवपाचें आसा. तर डिपार्टमेंटान आपूण अलर्ट रावंक जाय आसलें न्ही, तेजी तयारी करपाक जाय आसली. सो ही तयारी तांणी करूंक ना.
Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
The World Health Organization has warned that 53 regions in Europe and Central Asia are faced with the resurgence of the coronavirus pandemic. The regions are likely to see 5 lakh deaths before February, WHO warned, as hospitalizations in these places have more than doubled over the last week. Even as the grim prospects come to fore, the first ever oral antiviral treatment for the virus developed by the US Merck & Co. Incorporated has got nod from the UK for use.
Merck & Co. Inc. and Ridgeback Biotherapeutics developed pill is the first oral treatment to get a nod for use in people with mild to moderate COVID-19 and at least one risk factor for developing severe illness, such as obesity, older age diabetes and heart disease. Merck says that all tests done so far of molnupiravir shows that it is effective against all variants of the virus, including the Delta strain. COVID update for India is as follows. 107.70 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. 12,729 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours, putting India's active caseload at 1,48,922. which accounts for less than 1% of total cases, currently at 0.43%. There were 12,165 recoveries in the last 24 hours, placing total recoveries at 3,37,24,959. Daily and weekly positivity rates stand at 1.90% and 1.25% respectively. 107.70 crore vaccine doses have been administered so far. 12,729 new cases in the last 24 hours. Recovery rate currently at 98.23%, highest since March 2020. 12,165 recoveries in the last 24 hours. Total recoveries rise to 3,37,24,959. Active cases account for less than 1% of total cases. It is currently at 0.43%. This is the lowest since March 2020. India's active caseload stands at 1,48,922. Daily positivity rate is 1.90%, less than 2% for the last 32 days. The weekly positivity rate is 1.25%, less than 2% for the last 42 days. 61.30 crore total tests conducted so far. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. And now for the weather. Locals should remain prepared for the thunderstorm accompanied with lightning till the 7th at isolated areas and heavy rainfall at a few places on the 5th and 6th. There will also be light to moderate rainfall at most places till the 7th and a few places on the 8th and 9th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 33 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius respectively.
No large change is expected in maximum and minimum temperatures over the next 4 to 5 days, even as the weather remains erratic. Early morning travelers should remain alert for light haze and fog over isolated areas till the 9th. There are no other weather warnings issued for the state on the 8th and 9th. However, fishermen are advised to avoid venturing out to sea due to strong winds along and off the North Maharashtra Goa coast.
नमस्कार। गोवा के ऊपर थंडरस्टॉर्म एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यू हो रहा है और जैसे एमडी ने पहले फोकस किया था टिल अराउंड 8th ऑफ नवंबर थंडरस्टॉर्म एक्टिविटी जारी रहेगा गोवा के ऊपर और पिछले 24 आवर्स में यानी कि 4th नवंबर को सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट किया गया मरगांव से 3 सेंटीमीटर्स ऑफ रेनफॉल। तो फिशरमैन आर रिक्वेस्टेड नॉट टू वेंचर इनटू सी फ्रॉम 5th नवंबर टू 9th नवंबर फ्रॉम गोवास कोस्ट, क्योंकि जो ऑफ कोस्ट जो एरिया है ईस्ट सेंट्रल अरेबियन सी और साउथ ईस्ट अरेबियन सी वहाँ पे विंड स्पीड 40 to 50 किलोमीटर्स गस्टिंग अप टू 60 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर हो सकते हैं। तो इसलिए फिशरमैन आर रिक्वेस्टेड नॉट टू वेंचर इनटू सी फॉर द कमिंग 4 to 5 डेज। और जैसे ऑलरेडी फोकस किया गया था पिछले दिनों में, ये सिस्टम का जब मूवमेंट हो रहा है, इंटेंसिफिकेशन हो रहा है ओवर द सी, तो गोवा के ऊपर जो रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी हो रहा है उसमें भी थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो सकते हैं। थंडरस्टॉर्म एक्टिविटी विल कंटिन्यू with a slightly increased distribution on 2 days on 5th and 6th। और कभी कभी थंडरस्टॉर्म्स मॉडरेट टू सीवियर भी हो सकते हैं, यानी कि क्लाउड टू ग्राउंड लाइटनिंग का चांसेस ज़्यादा है। इसलिए एज इट इज़ ऑलवेज रिक्वेस्टेड प्लीज़ अवॉइड ओपन एरियाज और ओपन फील्ड्स और finding shelter under isolated or tall structures or trees. This also should be avoided when lightning is taking place. Lightning strike could be hazardous, it could be a threat to safety if the precautions are not taken properly. और गोवा के ऊपर जो वेदर में चेंज आएगा वो है रेनफॉल इंटेंसिटी विल बी इंक्रीज एंड पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ हेवी रेनफॉल एक्सीडिंग 6.4 सेंटीमीटर्स इन 24 आवर्स। दैट इज वेरी लाइकली एट 1 or 2 places over north and south Goa districts in these 2 days। आज और कल गोवा के ऊपर हेवी रेनफॉल होने के भी चांसेस हैं और उसके बाद फ्रॉम अराउंड 7th ऑनवर्ड्स हेवी रेनफॉल का प्रोबेबिलिटी कम रहेगा। एज वी आर स्पीकिंग इन द आफ्टरनून ऑफ 5th November, we can see there are a lot of thunderstorm clouds over eastern talukas of Goa, Satari, Sange, Dharbandora, Kapem, ये सारे जगह पे ऑलरेडी thunderstorm activities taking place और ये जो clouds है westward move होंगे और probably most parts of Goa will receive rainfall thunderstorm activity today also। जैसे ये सिस्टम मूव होगा तो पॉसिबल इम्पैक्ट्स ये है कि थंडरस्टॉर्म एक्टिविटी रहेगा तो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ क्लाउड टू ग्राउंड लाइटनिंग इज देयर और वाटर और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सर्विसेज में मुश्किल हो सकते हैं। डिस्ट्रप्शन कुड बी देयर एट आइसोलेटेड प्लेसेस बिकॉज ऑफ लाइटनिंग एंड थंडर शावर्स। और ऑफ कोस्ट विंड स्पीड और रफ सी विल बी देयर, सो प्रिकॉशन शुड बी टेकन। एंड सिंस द रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी इज देयर, जैसे ही रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी और क्लाउडिंग है आफ्टरनून में फॉर अराउंड 1 week नाउ, और IMD के एक्सटेंडेड रेंज फोरकास्ट ये दिखा रहे हैं कि रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी लाइट टू मॉडरेट विल कंटिन्यू इवन फॉर द कमिंग वीक एज वेल। तो क्रॉप्स जो है अफेक्ट होने के चांसेस हैं, एग्रीकल्चरल क्रॉप्स जो है।
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट गोवा 365।
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.gua365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Gua365 TV and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Gua365 TV and download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhone, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Gua365.